cook sweet and sour chicken from a Chinese master chef. I'll share with you this recipe. It will taste better than any takeout. Should ketchup be added to sweet and sour chicken? Stay tuned and let me tell you more about it. Sweet and sour chicken is a super popular Cantonese dish, and in Chinese we call it gulu ji. You can make it with chicken, pork, shrimp, or even tofu. In a bowl, add the chicken breast and salt, and combine until the chicken has fully absorbed the salt. Add the white pepper, rice wine, egg white, and cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Marinate for 10 minutes. I first learned to cook sweet and sour chicken with the Chinese master chef in 2014. He said when we cook, we need to use our 5 senses to look, hear, smell, feel, and taste every step of the cooking. To make the sauce, mix together the water, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, and ketchup. Whisk. Let's talk about ketchup for a moment. Chef Luo shared with me when he first started cooking about 40 years ago. He did not use ketchup in his sweet and sour chicken. It's only in the recent years that people start using ketchup. So it's totally up to your preference whether you want to use it or not. In a large mixing bowl, add the cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, salt, egg, oil, and water. Whisk until smooth. The baking soda and the baking powder are going to make the batter extra crispy. Add the chicken to the batter and mix well. In a pot over high heat, add the oil. Heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Fry the chicken in batches for about 5 minutes. Remove the chicken. Do the same with the rest. Heat up the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Return the chicken and fry for 1 minute until super crispy. Ta-da! Double frying solved the problem of soggy chicken. Here is the logic behind it. When the exterior temperature is hotter than the interior temperature, it forces the oil from the inside to come out. Remove and drain the chicken. In a wok over high heat, add the oil, onion, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the same wok over medium heat, pour the sauce inside. And add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. Return the vegetables and chicken. Also place the pineapple inside. Toss everything together. I love to cook because food has no boundaries. It unites people and makes everyone happy regardless of their age, color, or religion. Please comment below and share with us what is one reason you love to cook. This is absolutely delicious, 100% better than any takeout place. If you also like to make super delicious sesame chicken at home, you gotta check out the video right here. Oh, this one is so good. And please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye!